There are a few different indicators that can help us to know just how volatile the market is. But why is volatility so important? Well, volatility is something that we can use when looking for good breakout trade opportunities. Volatility measures the overall price fluctuations over a certain time, and this information can be used to detect potential breakouts. Let's look at a few indicators you can use to help gauge a pair's current volatility. This will help you a ton when you're looking for a good breakout opportunity. The first one is moving averages. This is probably the most common indicator used by traders. If you remember, moving averages measure the average movement of the market for an X amount of time, X being whatever you want it to be. For example, if you applied a 10 simple moving average to an hourly chart, it would show you the average movement for the past 10 hours. There's also the exponential moving average that puts more weight on the most recent price movements. If you need a refresher, you can go back and review the previous module on moving averages. The second way to measure volatility is by using Bollinger Bands. You've learned about this indicator in a previous section as well, but Bollinger Bands are basically two lines that are plotted 2 standard deviations above and below a moving average for an X amount of time, where X is whatever you want it to be. So if we set it at 10, we would have a 10 SMA and 2 other lines. One line would be plotted 2 standard deviations above it, and the other line would be plotted 2 standard deviations below it. You don't need to know what a standard deviation is or anything, so don't worry. It's going to plot automatically for you. But it is important to know how to read the market in relation to these 3 lines. When the bands contract, it tells us that volatility is low. When the bands widen, it tells us that volatility is high. Once again, for more of a refresher, you can go back to the Bollinger Band section. The third and final way we will talk about how to measure market volatility is by using what's called average true range, or ATR. The ATR tells us the average trading range of the market for X amount of time, where X is whatever you want it to be. So for example, if you set ATR to 10 on an hourly chart, it would show you the average trading range for the past 10 hours. When ATR is falling, it's an indication that volatility is decreasing. And when ATR is rising, it's an indication that volatility has been on the rise. So as you can see here, for example, the higher the ATR, the more volatile it is, the bigger the movement up this way. And then when it's consolidating or just ranging, you can see the ATR is very low. And this is consistent on this chart. So these are the most common indicators to measure volatility, and these will help you in determining if there is actually a breakout occurring. Obviously, the higher the volatility, the faster and bigger the movement will be.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.